Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Fetch Rewards application on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then install an Android emulator on your system. I'm going to use BlueStacks, so type in bluestacks.com in the address bar and press enter. Now from this website, you can directly click on the download button and begin the download of the BlueStacks installer. Once it is downloaded, you can simply open it up and scroll through the next buttons to install the BlueStacks Android emulator. After the emulator is installed, you can open it and you will be able to access your Android home screen. Now in order to install the application, simply open up the Google Play Store and then log into your account if you're asked to do so. Once you have logged in, simply tap on the search box and then search for Fetch Rewards. Now once you find the application, you can simply tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Fetch application on your PC. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and once it is done, you will see the open button. You can then tap on it to open up the application on your PC. And now you can sign up and create a new account or log into an existing account to start using the Fetch Rewards application from your PC. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to install the Fetch Rewards application on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.